Welcome to this week's Technology Thursday with C&B Operations. I'm Jeff Buyck, and I want to cover a few things about your John Deere electrified planter before you go to the field this spring. So let's take a look at the Gen 4 monitor and SeedStar 3 HP and a few settings you may want to check before you hit the field. Another great feature with the Gen 4 display is within section control, and it has to do with field boundaries. And so for a lot of customers in the past with 2630 displays, we said when you go around the outside edge of the field, turn your section control off. On a Gen 4 display, when you have your section control on, again, this would be for the planter and then for any fertilizers that you may be applying down here. We have our settings and our distance-based performance tuning with Gen 4, which is great. Again, just enter in the distance you're off and it automatically makes the calculations for you. One of the things I really like is you can still have field boundaries in here, and even if you're not on RTK, still have them on your screen. And the reason for that is we can uncheck the exterior boundary button, and you can see it changed our middle setting here to off. But you can tell the display to ignore an exterior boundary for section control. So even if you're planting over the exterior boundary, the planter will still plant. You don't have to worry about drift affecting whether the planter is turned on or turned off. So again, the way we got to that from our main page here is I went to Menu, Applications, I scroll down to Section Control. And then once your master is turned on, we can toggle the exterior boundary on or off. I still like leaving the interior boundary on, so if you're going across waterways or something like that, it honors that. But again, if you're worried about any drift because you're not on SF3 or RTK, for example, you can also turn that off as well. So that's just another quick thought as you get ready to go to the field this spring. With C&B Operations, I'm Jeff Buyck, committed to being your dealer of choice.